Hello students, this is Bhumika. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 6. We are going to learn how to draw using paint. So the name of our chapter is Drawing in Paint. We are going to use so many different commands and we'll learn how to use these commands and draw a beautiful picture in this paint. So you can draw a lot many things in paint, but let us first learn about other tools that you can use in paint, such like the curve tool and so on. So to use the curve tool, you have to go in the shapes group over here and click on the curve tool, this one. Okay, then you can select the size button from this and select the thickness of the curve tool. Now in this colors group, you can click on the color one and then select the color, whichever color that you like. In the shapes group, click on the outline and then choose a line style, whichever style you want to choose from here. This is the outline and click on the line style. You can choose the line. Now bring the mouse pointer onto the drawing area and you can start drawing. Notice that the mouse pointer changes from an arrow to a pointer with 4 heads, right? So from the outline you can always change the type of line that you want. This is marker. Let us try this one like this, right? So there are different things. Now click the line and drag the mouse to get the curve. So you after drawing a line, you can click on the line and you can drag it. Now let us try a watercolor line. See, this is a different kind of line that you can draw. Now we will be learning about the shapes group. Okay, in that shapes there are so many different shapes you can see over there in the shapes group. This one, it is a shapes group. We have learned about the curve line. See, this is oval, then rectangle, rounded rectangle, polygon, then triangle, right triangle and diamond, pentagon, hexagon. Then this is right arrow, left arrow and so many arrows, stars and rounded clouds and so on. Lightning is also there. So there are so many shapes that you can use it over here in your drawing. Let us start with an oval. So for that you will be clicking on that, selecting the size. After that you will be selecting the color one. Let me color red color and outline. I will be selecting the solid one. And then fill. Which color and for which type of color you want to fill it, crayons or oil color or whichever. Now I will be drawing, this is the outline with the red color of an oval, and then solid color, this color I will be choosing yellow. See this. So this is the fill color, that means the color fills in it. See another one like this. If you select the color 2 different, then that color changes. Whichever color you select, color 2 it will get filled in, color 1 will be the border or the outline. Then you can always take a new file, or if you want to save, you can save also from the file menu. Now we'll go to the next one, that is a polygon tool. By selecting in the shape group, you can click on the polygon tool and draw a polygon. You can drag the pointer to draw a straight line first of all, and then click each point where you want the additional sides to appear. Okay, like this. Now connect the last line to the first line and finish the drawing and the polygon to the closed one. So after drawing a line, you have to draw and close the polygon. Otherwise, whatever color you will fill in it, that color will go outside it. See, these are different polygon shapes that I have made. Now see, this is the border one. Color 1 is the border color which I had selected black. Outline with different types also I can select that. This is the water one, waterproof. Now the color 2 is the fill color. That means whatever shape I will be drawing along with the outline, the other color will get filled in it like this. Okay. So with the shape still selected, you can do one more thing with the following changes in the appearance. What you have done is To change the line style, you can click on the outline and then click on the line style, and then with the shape without an outline, by selecting no outline, you can also draw this one. Okay, and in the colors group, you can click on the first color, that is color 1, and then click a color for the outline, and color 2 to fill in the shape, the color that you want to fill inside the shape. Now if I feel that I want to erase something, then I can use this eraser tool over here, and I can select the size of the eraser. Now I can just click on the mouse and drag that eraser over it like this, and that particular line or shape or whatever it is there will get erased. You can change the size, you can take a big eraser also, okay, but the color should be white, color 2 should be white, then only it will get erased. Now fill with color tool, that we have already seen, but yet we will see again this one. This is the fill with color tool. You can click this color, you can select any color, and in the shape you can click on that, so that whole shape gets filled with particular color. If you are going on a blank space, then whole page gets filled up like this, see, with the red color, this one. So on whichever shape you will click and whichever color you will select, that shape will be filled with that particular color. You can use more colors from here, edit colors, okay, see, in this way there are more colors that can be used. Next we'll be seeing about the text tool, a new one. I don't want to save, so I am not saving it. Now with the text tool, you have to go in the text groups. In the text group, you will be selecting the text tool, and then we'll be clicking on the drawing area, that whichever text we want to add. So let me write here welcome. Let me select first of all the font style. Okay, I will be selecting Lucida handwriting, or this Magneto. So whichever font style you want to select, whatever size you want to select, you can select it, and then whichever color you want to write with, you can select that particular color, bold, italic, underline, that you can select, and after that you have to write welcome to school, like this. And you can change the shape of your box, shape and size of your box like this. So this is the text tool. Now in the colors group, you can click on the color, and then click on whichever color of the text you want to, and then you can save if you want to save. After this, we are going to learn about the select tool. Now I have one image over here. I'll be using a particular, this red one, Angry Bird image. I'll be selecting that particular image by using the select tool. See, select tool, let me zoom in first. Yes, now I have selected the select tool from here, from the drop down menu. Rectangular selection I have selected, or you can select free form selection also, that means you have to drag the mouse. So rectangular selection, and I will be selecting this Angry Bird, red colored, and I will be pasting it. First of all, you have to save it, and then you can paste it over here. So you can use any image from other image also by using the select tool, and then you can zoom in. Okay, so that is a select tool. Then for zooming in and zooming out, there is another tool called the magnifier tool. So in the select tool, one more thing you can do is, after selecting it, okay, this is the magnifier tool. In the select tool, what you can other thing that you can do is, you can select first of all and you can paste it over here, or else you can do the invert selection and then you can press on the delete button. And what will happen is, when as soon as you click on the delete button, the part that is selected will get deleted. Okay, and you can also press on the or click on the invert selection option, so that the picture that you have selected, the picture other than that will get pasted over here. So there are few things that you can do with the select tool. Okay, you can try it on your own. Now I am going to the magnifier tool. First of all, let me not save this image, and I will be clicking on this magnifier tool in the tools group. This one, this is the magnifier tool. Okay, and then I can zoom in by clicking over here on the magnifying tool, or you can click it once and drawing the magnified by first of all it will be 200% and then it will go on increasing. Okay, so zoom in and zoom out by the magnifier tool. Now we will be seeing about the color picker option. This one, next one to it. I can pick any color from over here, red or yellow or green or whichever color you want. Okay, and that color will get picked from that picture, and then you can use that particular color from other image over here. See, now this blue color, like this. So you can use all the colors that you want. So I hope this much is clear. We have learned all the tools in the paint that you can use and draw a very nice picture. That's all for today. Thank you.